if you're watching this video, before we get into the mathematics, I need you to do me a great big favor. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. I appreciate you in advance. And if you're watching this, you probably know somebody else that could use this video. So I want you to share this with one of your homies and have them subscribe. We're trying to get these numbers up. We want to get this math to everybody. Now, let's go ahead and get into the mathematics. What's up, everybody? My name is Dana Harris with Young Gurus Math Tutoring, and I'm back again to drop some more math jewels. In this video, I'm talking about some basic rules of derivatives, specifically the quotient rule of derivatives. Now, above my head, you're going to see the rule, and that rule tells us if we're trying to find the derivative of f of x over g of x, we need to take g of x times the derivative of f of x minus f of x times the derivative of g of x all over g of x squared. What that mean, Mr. Harris? Thought you'd never ask. Let's get into an example. So if I want to find the derivative d dx of, let's say, 5x minus 2 over x squared plus 1. All right, so now, in this case, f of x is the numerator, g of x is the denominator. All right, so we're going to take x squared plus 1, put that in parentheses, times the derivative, actually, let's write d dx. So d dx of 5x minus 2, and then minus 5x minus 2 d dx of x squared plus 1. All over, look at that, that's long. X squared plus 1 squared. All right, we're going to leave that just like that. All right, now let's do some calculations. Boom. So here we go. We have x squared plus 1 times the derivative of 5x minus 2. Well, the derivative of 5x is just 5. The derivative of 2, which is a constant, is just 0. All right, so then minus, we bring out the 5x minus 2, and we want to multiply by the derivative of of x squared, which is just 2x, and then the derivative of 1 is 0 because it's a constant. We keep that over x squared plus 1 squared. All right, now let's simplify. If we distribute the 5 times x squared plus 1, we get 5x squared plus 5. And then we're going to say minus, we'll distribute this 2x to the 5x minus 2. So 2x times 5x is 10x squared. And then minus 4x. Let me double check behind myself, because when you do these long problems like this, you can easily get caught up. So 2 times 5 is 10. X times x is x squared. 2 times 2 is 4x. Boom, let's keep it moving. All right, so now I'm going to rewrite that numerator. So I'm going to say 5x squared plus 5. We're going to bring the distributive down. So, distribute that negative. Minus 10x squared plus 4x. And we're going to keep it over x squared plus 1 squared. Now we just combine like terms. 5x squared minus 10x squared is negative 5x squared. And then we plus 4x. And then plus 5. And then keep that over x squared plus 1 squared. So our final derivative actually can be written, let's rewrite it like this. Let's say d dx is equal to negative 5x squared plus 4x plus 5 over x squared plus 1 squared. Now, please be mindful that different books show things different ways. When you're talking about calculus, you're most likely still using the textbook, all right? But, so if you've seen a book and they multiply out that denominator, it's fine. Remember, potato, potato. If I shave my beard tomorrow, I look totally different, but I'm still the same person. So, check that out. Pause it, rewind it, things like that if you need to. Be very, very mindful of your signs. Be very, very mindful of the little bitty things when you're doing problems this long, because you can easily get lost in the sauce if you ain't careful.